Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be showing you, suppose your iPhone 11, iPhone 10, iPhone 7, 8, 9, any series of iPhone got stuck into a freezing motion, or you're trying to use your iPhone but the screen is not responding. Now there is a very simple method which you can use and you can fix these issues. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So now I am showing you the method for iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max, 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max and also 10R. So this method will work with all these devices. So suppose you want to use your phone and because of the new iOS update, or if you download any application which creates some bug in your iPhone and you're trying to use your iPhone but the screen is not responding at all and you're getting really frustrated. So all you need to do is press on the volume up, then the volume down, and then you need to press the power button and keep holding it. This will rectify any issues you are having. So let's try it one by one. Volume up, volume down, and keep pressing the power button. You will see the slide to power off indication, but just ignore it and keep pressing it. And once you see the Apple logo, you have to remove your hand from the power button. That's it. So any kind of freezing issues you were facing, any kind of screen unresponsiveness issues you were facing, they will all be gone after a fresh boot up. Now this is more like a soft reset of your iPhone. And because it's a soft reset, the Face ID will not work. You need to put your code. And any kind of issues you were having on your iPhone, they will all be gone after this soft reset. Now I will show you the method. If you have an iPhone 6, 7, 8 or any iPhone which has the fingerprint. So now same method I'll be showing you in my iPhone 7 Plus, but this method will also be applicable to iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, most of the Apple devices which has Touch ID. So if you are owner of any of these iPhones and your screen is not responsive, screen is completely frozen up and you're stuck with something and you're not able to use your iPhone, all you need to do is just press and hold power and the volume down button until you see the Apple logo. And once you see the Apple logo, just release the button and you're good to go. So let's do it. Press the power and the volume down button. Keep holding. And once you see the Apple logo, just release the buttons. So that's it. So now the iPhone is doing a soft reset. So after this soft reset, your Face ID will not work. So you will need to put your password or passcode to unlock your iPhone. So as you can see, the soft reset is done and any kind of freezing or any kind of issues you were facing with your iPhone, they are all resolved now after the soft reset. Now this is a very easy and simple way rather than going to Apple Genius for no reason. It's a very simple and easy way. You can do it at your home. If you're facing any issue, sometime with any new iOS update, it can happen. The screen just becomes unresponsive and it's very frustrating, but at the same time, this is the easy way out. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and please hit the thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. Soon I'll be making more videos for iPhone 11. So stay tuned and watch my videos. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.